Now, what you're about to see is some exclusive content straight from the Patreon vault. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, you're at an intermediate level, or you're more advanced. We got content for every level of development. And it doesn't matter what you need help with: melodies, flows, lyrics, songwriting, choruses, imagery, your image. We got it all in the Patreon. And there are tiers as low as $1 and $5. I'll see you there. Link in the description. Guys, to understand is that just because you use space, it doesn't make the flow any less. Just because you use nothing but syllables, it doesn't make it any better. And what I would say is that there is a use for each approach. For example, if I'm doing something more lyrical, more conversational, more conscious, more thoughtful, then I'm not going to use as much space, because it's about hitting the brain first. I want you to listen and understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. I want you to follow along what I'm talking about. When I have a banger, a hard beat, a trap beat, a more hype beat, a more energetic beat, then I'm going to use more space, because a bouncier flow with space, it hits the body, it hits the physical before it hits the brain. It's not so much about you following along to what I'm saying. It's about you moving along to what I'm saying. All right. So before I get into it, what I did was I wrote a short 4-bar verse, right? And then in the first one, I'm filling it up with syllables. And then in the second one, it's basically the same lyrics, but I took away syllables and added space. And I did that to show you guys the difference. So let me pick a beat real quick. Took you good. Oh, that's too slow. Let's see. These type beat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey. I just took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the key to life, niggas ain't locking in. Mama say if you on your shit, you better pop it then. 3 favorite words, fuck the world, that's what I'm hollering. See, there was no space. Now, I'm gonna add space in the middle. Alright, took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the motherfucking key, I'm locking in. If you on your shit, well, you better pop it then. 3 favorite words, fuck the world, I'm hollering. See, that slight difference, that slight change added bounce to the flow. Took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the motherfucking key, I'm locking in. See, the bounce comes from you're hearing syllable, space, syllable, space, syllables, space, syllable, space, versus the other one is syllable, 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 syllables. There's no bounce to that. All right. So space is basically putting pauses and putting commas into your bars. Right now, look at the first bar. I just took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. I took away some of those syllables. Took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. All right. And so you see, I put that comma after moon, because for me, when I'm writing, me putting a comma in the lyrics, it lets me know to put a pause right there. All right. So let's get into it real quick, and then I'll show you guys how to go about it. Number one, the reason why we use space is for bounce. Bounce gives us rhythm alignment. Bounce sounds good because your voice is locking into the groove of the beat, not fighting it. When I said took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen, all right. And so we're not fighting it. When we fill it up with bars, it's kind of like it's us against the beat, because we're not really letting the beat breathe. It's just us all over the beat. So that's the number one thing. Number two is it creates a loop in the brain that the listener can predict. And humans love patterns. And this is where the catchiness and the ear candy of using bounce comes from, because like it or not, humans are dumb. You know, we animals. And so we like patterns in our music. And so when you see took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the motherfucking key. I'm locking in. If you on your shit, well, better pop it then. See, that sounds good to their ear because they already can predict what's coming next, and they like that. You know, back in the day, I would think, oh man, this is dumbing it down. Nah, man, sometimes dumbing it down is good because we're making it simple, and simple doesn't always mean dumb. And so a bounce flow usually repeats a rhythm. Number 3, it turns your voice into percussion. Now look at this one. I just took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the motherfucking key. Niggas money is the key to life. Niggas ain't locking in. Mama say if you on your shit, you better pop it then. Yes, there's a basic rhythm to that, but it's not as strong as took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the motherfucking key. I'm locking in. If you on your shit, well, better pop it then. All right. So it turns your voice. That is catchier. All right. This is where most rappers don't even realize what's happening. A bouncy rapper isn't just saying words. We're acting like a drum. You put that on top of the beat, it just sounds good. All right. Number 4, bounce gives movement, and this is why rapping with bounce feels alive. Flat flows feel like you talking on a beat. I just took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the key to life. Niggas ain't locking in. It's almost like I'm talking versus took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. See, it's way more rhythmic and it's way more musical when we use space. And so bounce sounds like motion, momentum, and forward push. Why? Because of syncopation. Syncopation is rapping in between the beats. All right. So I may be hitting slightly before the beat, I might be hitting slightly after the beat, and I may be skipping expected spots. This creates a unique, dope flow. It creates a swing. And you can do it anyway. That's just something that I wrote real quick. No swing, it sounds robotic, it sounds normal, it sounds not as fun, but with swing we get a groove. And I could have did money is the key. I be locking in, bonus on the seat. And you can also mix it up. So what I could have did was I could have had 2 bars with bounce, with space, and then the third one not with one. And you have all of these different combinations. This is why it's hard for me to get writer's block. This is why it's hard for me to not have an idea, not have an approach, because there are so many ways we go. Took your girl to the moon, gave her oxygen. Money is the key. So I'm locking in. If you niggas ain't on your shit, you better pop it then. 3 favorite words for the world. I'm hollering. It just creates these dope little pockets, man. All right. And number 5, it distributes the energy correctly. Most rappers mess this up. They either go 100% energy nonstop, which is exhausting to the ear because the listener needs time to process. And the space gives the listener time to process what's being said. It gives them time to remember it. It gives it time to be memorized, which helps with the catchiness. Bounce naturally creates spikes where you hit it hard, and the dips where you reset. That's the reset. That up and down pattern keeps the listener engaged. It's like waves, not a straight line. And I tell you guys all the time, not to, to write in waves and not just straight lines. All right. Number 6 is easy to feel and hard to copy. A good bounce feels simple, but it is actually precise timing. That's why beginners can hear it but can't recreate it. They'll rap the same words but miss the timing, the spacing, and the emphasis. And that's what makes them sound complex, because they don't really understand what's going on. They can't sit there and tell you, oh, he's using space right here. They just know that it sounds good. Number 7, the hidden truth. The bounce is physical. This is one of the most important things, not intellectual. Nobody is analyzing lyrics when a flow is bouncing. Their body reacts first. Their head is nodding, shoulder movement, foot tapping. That's why bounce heavy songs win in the clubs and cars and workouts. It hits the body before the brain. If your music sounds, that's the last video. And so what we want to do when we're trying to create bounce is, number 1 is think in phrases. So say for instance, let's change the beat. So instead of thinking of a whole bar, to fill a whole bar of lyrics to fill up that bar, I'ma just think of phrases. Let me say, double cup sipper, double cup sipping, cup sipping. I think my face numb. All right, and the easiest way to do this is start in the middle of the bar, adding space in the middle bar, breaking a bar into two parts where there's a comma in the middle. Double cup sipping, I think my face numb. Double cup sipping. So I'm thinking just in phrases, not in complete sentences. Double cup sipping, I think my face numb. Pulling down my zipper. Let her taste some. Diamonds black as fuck. Call him Akon. All my niggas killers. Shout out King Von. All right, so
Molly.
Yeah, hey, yeah. Double cup sipping. Yeah, they come back around. Yeah, yeah. Hey, double cup sipping. I think my face numb. Pull down my zipper. I let her taste some. Diamonds black as fuck, yeah. I call him Akon. All my niggas killers. Shout out King Von. I'm double cup sipping. Think my face numb. Pulling down my zipper. I let her taste some. Black diamonds in it. Call me Akon. All my niggas killers. Shout out King Von. Now, see what I did? As you saw, I broke it up in the middle. But you can break it up in words. It's just picking a shorter phrase. Let's say new coupe. New coupe. Feel like I'm Vin Diesel. Baby, on the truth. I don't really need you. New coupe. Feel like Vin Diesel, baby, on the truth. I don't really need you. All right, gold bottles. We wasn't even legal. Private jet. Fuck around and leave you. All these are gonna create bouncier flows. New coupe, yeah. Feel like Vin Diesel, baby, I'm the truth. I don't really need you gold bottles. We wasn't even legal, private jet, baby. I fuck around and leave you. Then it's done, man. Bachelor rate, understand the same. It matter, babe. Keep me on the down low. No matter, babe. I just want my venison. Okay, let's go. Benjamins. Cool. Listen. It's just playing with it, all right? It's just playing with it. Seeing all of the different ways you can do it. You just want to think of commas, breaking up the bar, thinking of phrases, space, phrase, space. These phrases don't have to be complete sentences, don't have to be complete thoughts, but just phrase, space, phrase, phrase, space, phrase. I hope this video was of value. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.